how to design an upcycled t-shirt quilt on paper. First, measure any graphics or sections you want to add. Here's the secret. Use numbers divisible by 4. Examples: 4x4, 4x8, or 12x16. This one is 8 inches wide by 8 inches long. Draw the quilt square on a 1/8 inch scale. Draw the graphic or pattern of the shirt. And this one is easy since it's a white shirt with black words. Here's another example. This is 12 inches long by 4 inches tall. Draw my square 1.5 by 1/2 inch. The measurement should be perfect, but the coloring doesn't need to be, as it's just a reference for you to see the colors and which square is what shirt. Repeat for each piece. I also write the measurement on each square. Cut each square out. I am doing 2 quilts, so I have a lot of double quilt squares. Cut a piece of paper 1/8 inch scale of the finished quilt size. My finished quilt will be 52 by 72 inches, so my piece of paper is 6.5 by 9 inches. Start putting the pieces together like a puzzle. Move them around as much as you need to. As I go along, I alter the sizes of some of the squares as needed. Otherwise, I may not be able to fit each t-shirt into my piece. Glue or tape down the finished paper quilt. You can refer back to this as much as you need when cutting and piecing your quilt together.